Hi friends, myself Pradan Basaptre. I am studying in 5th standard at ZPP School Iraq. So today our topic is based on picture description. So today I will do the picture description of bank. Friends, bank plays an important role in making the financial stability and economy of the country. Friends, there are so many types of bank, and just like retail banking, business banking, uh, interest banking, and corporate banking. Friends, these are some types of banking. Now I will do the picture description. So friends, here is the picture of the bank, and there are so many men and women there. At here there is the manager's cabin. In the manager's cabin, the manager is discussing a problem with a man, and at the right side of the manager there is the computer, and at the in front of the manager there is one book to write the problem, and then there is one small tree, and near the small tree there is one ATM machine. Friends, we can take some money from it and do the smart banking and save our time. Here is one clock to see the time, and near the clock there is one cabin, and it is of a loan. I think loan, and this woman is talking with the man about her loan, and this officer is watching on the computer, and near this cabin there is the cashier's cabin. In the cashier cabin there is one lady officer working, and two men are in the row, and there is one girl there is one girl. I think she is this man's daughter, and near the cashier's cabin there is the saving accounts cabin. Friends, in saving account cabin we can save some money, and we can use it in that situation we need some money. Here is one woman and her daughter. They are discussing about their saving account, and near the saving account there is one cabin that is that in the cabin we if we have some problem we can go in this cabin. Here is one woman. She is talking with the officer, and he is writing the problem, and one girl is putting hand on her shoulder, and she is her daughter. Here is one sofa, and on the sofa there is one man and his grandson is sitting. I think they are waiting to discuss with the manager. So they are waiting because the manager is very busy in his work. Here is one old man. He is taking a sleep, and here is one stick to get help in walk. Friends, here is the notice board. On the notice board we can write any notice, and then then the customers and the officers follow it. Near the notice board there is one safety cylinder. We use the safety cylinder in dangerous situation if the fire is there. Friends, this was my description, and in this description you can see here is tree, and there is greenery in the bank. So from this greenery we can know that we have to plant much more trees in our surrounding, and we must keep our surrounding clean and good. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Bye.